Are you studying abroad from Nepal and constantly Googling everything? What if I told you there are 10 free websites that could make your student life 10 times easier, from finding a bus to submitting a plagiarism-free assignment? Stick around. This guide will save you time, stress, and even money. This is Mobeeco Nepal, where we help you study smart, live smarter, and survive study abroad life with ease. Let's dive in, starting with Rome to Rio.com. Whether you're navigating buses in Sydney or metros in London, this site shows you all possible routes, prices, and modes of transport. No more getting lost. Want to impress your professor without worrying about grammar or plagiarism? Grammarly.com is your free writing buddy. Use it for emails, essays, even dating profiles if you want. Adjusting to a new culture is tough, but learning basic phrases in local language makes it easier. Duolingo.com makes it fun with gamified lessons. Plus, that green owl is oddly motivational, juggling lectures, deadlines, part-time shifts, and grocery runs. Notion.so lets you track your entire life in one organized dashboard. Think of it as your second brain, sending or receiving money from Nepal. Wise.com beats traditional banks with low fees and real exchange rates. That's more Momo money in your pocket. Need a sleek CV or an Instagram post for your uni club? Canva.com offers thousands of templates you can edit for free. No Photoshop skills needed. Worried about which professor to take next semester? RateMyProfessors.com lets students rate teaching style, difficulty, and even give emoji vibes. Want to add Microsoft Excel or Adobe Premiere to your skill set? With LinkedIn Learning, sometimes free with university email, you can upskill at your own pace. Don't miss your visa appointment or group Zoom call. Use Google Calendar and timeanddate.com to manage different time zones like a pro. Of course, the best free resource is Mobeeco. Find verified consultancies, get scholarship alerts, chat with superheroes, and track your study abroad journey, all in one place. To recap, these 10 websites are your survival kit as a Nepali student abroad. Which one will you try first? Drop a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your study abroad squad.